Hey guys, Rotodil here, and today I want to tell you how I solved all of my internet problems because this guy, the ASUS ZenWiFi AX Hybrid, is just amazing. This is the router I have been waiting for. I've been using it for more than 2 weeks now. I'm going to tell you all about it, and we are also going to connect to the router itself. So to do that, first I want to show you guys the actual router unit, and you're going to get two of these. Basically, the big thing here is that this also uses your electrical infrastructure to transfer internet. So the big thing here is that each one of these units actually connects to the power line and delivers internet through that to the second unit. So you're gonna get two of those. I actually have one of them connected already, and we will connect to it in a moment. And the first thing I want to talk about is actually what you're gonna get. So this unit has this single button over here. And sorry for my English, by the way, I am doing this in multiple languages, just trying to spread the word about the products that I'm using. So sometimes I might mess up the language. This is the sync or WPS button, and also you're gonna get an indicator light all over it when you turn this on. On the back of this router unit, you're gonna see the AC in, which is also where the internet is gonna derive and actually connect to the wall. There are two LAN ports over here, not that many by the way, and this is probably the single negative thing that I can say about it beyond the price range, which is obviously gonna be a bit high, as this is a high-end product. But I'm gonna put links and more information in the description of the video below so you can see what's the updated pricing. There's a reset button over here. There's a WAN plug, which is where you're gonna connect your modem to, and this is not a router modem, this is a router only, so you still have to keep your modem. And there's a USB 3.0 jack over here, which is nice because that means that you can use this USB plug to do a lot of things, like for example connecting a 4G or 3G wireless mobile dongle to get wireless connectivity when, for example, your modem doesn't work. And that's only one of the things that I will show you in a moment. So that's one unit. You're gonna get two of these. The cables that you need are gonna be the power plug cable and the network cable. So first things first, I want to switch and show you the actual specs. And by the way, if you're seeing me for the first time, nice to meet you. I'm Rotodil, and you are more than invited to subscribe. Click on the red button down below so I can see all my future gadget reviews. I have some cool stuff coming up. I want to show you guys. This entire desktop over there basically is a desktop that I just built, and I'm gonna do a lot of gadget reviews based on that system. So subscribe if you if you want to see this stuff with me. So this is the ASUS ZenWiFi page. This is a mesh network system. So for example, you are going to, in the end, get one single network across these two units. And the big thing here is that you're going to get crazy coverage. We're looking at 5,500 square meters, or in meters, 5,500 square feet, or in meters, this is going to be around 510 meters. This is when using two units. When using a single unit, it's going to be basically half of that. And this also can basically work with a house that has concrete walls, for example, because you are transferring internet over electrical structure beyond having the mesh network. The bandwidth here can get up to 1800 megabit per second, which is great to deliver you internet for upcoming years, because you're going to be able to stream for 8K, which nobody actually streams these days. So these are the biggest features. The setup procedure was really easy, and it actually is the same as in the other ZenWiFi routers that I've used in the past. You basically just create a network, you do set up the network name and the password, and moving on, you can enable or disable Wi-Fi 6. Now Wi-Fi 6 is a big deal on this product because enabling that will allow you to get to a speed of up to 1100 megabit per second, which is insane. It's basically the highest speed that you're gonna get over 1 gigabit LAN port. And that just means that you can use Wi-Fi as if you're using cables, and it works great. Beyond that, after you install the system, you'll be able to search for another unit and actually create a mesh system using these two units. Once you do that, you actually sign in into the system, and let's just do that and see how it works. Okay, so that's it. We are currently seeing the dashboard that you will see once you connect one of these guys. And in the end, you can also access this system via a mobile app, which is great. Not many routers actually have an app which integrates with your router. And in the end here, you're gonna see a map of whatever you got connected, whether it's your clients that currently use the network, or whether you actually have a USB application running on one of these units. You can also see your mesh network, but one of the things I really liked about ASUS latest routers is the adaptive QoS. Basically what this does is it lets you see your current bandwidth monitor, whatever is using currently bandwidth, and you can also enable a QoS option over here, and that lets you define what is going to be preferred or prioritized on your network. So for example, if for you playing video games is important online, you can prioritize that just by pressing here on games and clicking on apply, and therefore the local network will know how to prioritize adaptively whatever network is currently running on your network, traffic is currently running on your network, and making sure that your games get the network bandwidth that they need. Another cool stuff that you can find over here is the USB applications tab, and this is really interesting because you can see you have so many applications here. One of them is going to be an AI disk function, which basically allows you to have some kind of storage device via your network. As your network currently always runs your router, you can basically have these files enabled and shared across your network through the internet via USB disk that you can add to that, or actually install to that USB slot. You can also do the 3G, 4G network that I talked about before and run a printer server, time machine backup or whatever, or even actually download via the download master, download files to your router if that is something that you actually need. So there's a lot of options via this dashboard. You can also definitely mess up your system if you don't use this correctly, but ASUS actually made so sure that this is going to be easy to configure via the wizard that we showed before. So all in all, this is the router that you want to get if you want to have the latest and greatest when it comes to mesh networking, because it has this internet over Powerline, which is a huge thing. And if you have the budget, I don't really know of anything better than this currently that uses Wi-Fi 6. I'm going to put links in the description below, and I hope I'm going to see you on my future gadget reviews. If you like this review, definitely click on the like button down below so I can actually do some more of these reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I was Rotodeal. More reviews over here on my sides. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.